Part 3 of 3D printing every single Pokeball. This one was highly requested by y'all. So that's why today I'm printing the Quick Ball. It's a special Pokeball in Pokemon which basically works best when used right at the start of the battle. So if you throw it on the very first turn, it has a much higher catch rate than a regular Pokeball, which I still gotta print by the way. After the first turn, its effectiveness drops back down. I feel like this one kind of resembles the Beast Ball we printed in part 1, and it also kind of reminds me of the X-Men logo. Which Pokeball should I print next?